we're going for a walk up Dongtan Beach today and have a little bit of a look around. Been here many times, but I think this is the first time I've made a video. And we're walking up to right up to the end where the guys go fishing, so I'll see if I can get a bit of video footage for that and show you. I'll take a little video of the Dongtan Beach sign, and I know that from the end of Beach Road there up to the corner and back is about 3.5 to 4 kilometres, so it's not a bad little walk. It's about halfway because when we leave our condo down Dongtan Beach to get up there is about 2.5 kilometres, about 2 kilometres. So all up it's about a 8 kilometre return walk. Along Dongtan. So one of the other good things about Dongtan Beach is they've got public toilets, and there's a couple of them along the way, which comes in handy because a lot of the other beaches don't have public toilets. They have toilets nearby that you can use, but these couple along here are right on the beach, easy to get to. Lots of shady parts along the beach as well. If you don't want to come and sit under the vendors' umbrellas and on their chairs, there's a few spots along here where there's some big trees and plenty of shade to keep you out of the hot sun. Taya Park Tower. They have a cable car that comes down on the cable system, and if you're game you can also jump off on a like a zip line type setup. Probably not my cup of tea, but others do it. It'd be good to see it happen. They also have a water park in here. Seems to be pretty busy at the moment. Nice looking resort, this one. I know it's the GoPro doesn't do it any justice. Heritage Pattaya Beach Resort. Very nice, looks nice, well looked after. So we've made our way down to the end of Dongtan Beach. Very busy. You can certainly tell that it's high tourist season because the place is pretty well packed. All the beach vendors they've got lots of people sitting on their beach chairs under the umbrellas. People getting massages and lots of people swimming. So we're at the end here. It's where lots of people come and go fishing. So I'm going to have a little bit of a look around. Haven't seen anybody catch anything, but we have only been here for a little bit. But there's definitely a few people here fishing, so I'll have a little look and give you a look. See Kolan over there. Have to head over there soon and have a look around. It's been a few years since we've been there last, so looking forward to getting over there. So there's this nice little path that runs along the edge of the beach. It's quite good. It's under all these trees, plenty of shade, which is what you need on a day like today. Yeah, like I said, it's nice under the trees, nice and shady. It's easy come and sit here for, I don't know, 40 or 50 baht for a chair. Nice cold drinks, and yeah, just relax. That's what you want to do in Thailand. Relax, that's why we come here. Like I've said, heaps. Where's the seagulls? There's plenty of rats with wings. No seagulls. Funny that. It's one of life's mysteries about the Dongtan area, and anywhere else I've seen. Haven't seen any seagulls. But anyway, there's obviously a reason. Probably, well, it wouldn't be too hot for them. They're a seabird. So yeah, this is a nice little footpath along the edge of the beach here. It's well maintained. Well, not like most footpaths in Thailand. There's plenty of trip hazards, so you've always got to be aware of that. But, plenty of people, and definitely high season. Okay, so that's it for our walk today. Well, halfway anyway, but that's it for the Dongtan leg. I'll get home and edit this video up and get it online. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Stay safe. Take care.